In this video, we are going to show you how to customize shortcuts on your Approach S70 series golf watch. This includes the widget glances and controls. We will first cover the widget glances, but you can use the timeline to skip ahead to the controls menu section. Widget glances provide quick access to important information such as performance stats, heart rate, steps, and notifications. Some widgets require a connection to your compatible smartphone. If you have not paired your watch to the Garmin Golf app, see the link in the description for pairing your smartphone. To customize the glances, scroll down to highlight Edit. Tap to select it. The first thing you will see is a list of widget glances already in your widget loop list. To add glances, scroll down and select Add. Now scroll through the list of available glances. Tap on the glance you would like to add. When you are done adding glances, scroll down and select Done. You can also change the location of the glance in the widget loop list or remove a glance that you do not want to see. To do this, begin by selecting the glance you would like to reorder or remove. Scroll up or down to reposition the glance on the list. Tap on the check mark to place it in the list. To delete a glance, select it and tap on the trash can icon. Repeat either of these two processes until the widget loop is ordered to your liking. You have now customized the widget loop glance list.